In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Web WhatsApp without QR code using your Android phone. If you prefer not to scan a QR code, WhatsApp now lets you link your account to a computer with just your phone number and a short one-time code. You will need two things: a computer with an up-to-date browser and your Android phone with WhatsApp installed and connected to the internet. Make sure the phone number you plan to use is the one registered in your WhatsApp app. Start on your computer. Open your favorite browser: Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, and go to web.whatsapp.com. Double-check the address bar to be sure you are on the official WhatsApp web page. You will see a large QR code in the middle of the screen. Under that, click the option that says Link with Phone Number. It's easy to miss, so look just below the QR code. Next, select your country code and enter your WhatsApp phone number exactly as it's registered on your phone. When you are ready, click Next. WhatsApp will now display an 8-character code on your computer screen. Keep this page open. The code is temporary and unique to your session, so don't share it with anyone. Now switch to your Android phone and open WhatsApp. In the top right corner, tap the three dots to open the menu. Then choose Linked Devices. On the Linked Devices screen, tap Link a Device. At the bottom, select Link with Phone Number instead. You will see a field where you can type the 8-character code. Carefully enter the code exactly as shown on your computer. After you submit it, your phone and browser will link, and WhatsApp Web will load your chats on the computer. A couple of tips as it finishes syncing: keep your phone connected to the internet for the initial link. And close the browser tab until you see your conversations. Depending on your phone's security settings, you may be asked to confirm with your fingerprint, face, or device PIN before linking. Just follow the on-face screen prompts. Once linked, you can use WhatsApp Web even if your phone screen is off, as long as your phone remains online in the background. That's it. Thanks for watching.